Okay, there you go everyone, this is what they pick up today. So as I was saying, they only have one shoe, but multiple pair, but lots of clothing. So let's check them one by one how much I picked them up. So let's go. So let's start with this clothing. We got some polo tops. It says Nike Pro, mostly a golf shirt or golf polo shirt, and mainly some kind of stripe with blue, white, and some kind of fuchsia. And this one is some kind of dry fit polo, and check out how much they pick them up for. There you go, for $97, and if I'm not mistaken, they are more. The retail is some kind. I'm not sure how much it is, but let's check it out. Bought 10 pieces of this, and it doesn't say. Okay, so it was covered. The retail, I can't find the retail. Okay, so moving on with the other polo shirt, and this one is much better color though, and looks like good, really cool and comfortable, and the price alone is $9.97, and then with the additional 30% off. So check out how much was that. So, and then next one, this one is the best find of them all, I think so, because this one is mainly some shirt for football, but the quality and lining and everything is like very soft and breathable, and also it is a tight fit cotton, a tight fit coolant. It's a Nike Pro, as you can see right there, and let's see how much the price. Boom, $4.97, and then with the additional 30% off, then additional 20% off. So bought a bunch on this one, so about 20 pieces of this one. All of them are $4.97, in then additional 30% off. Got more here, but I can't find if I can take out the sticker how much it is, but more, I believe it's there you go, probably somewhere there, $30 for this one. And I picked up about 20 pieces of them, and then came down to the price is $4.97, came down to somewhere $3-ish, so 20 pieces of those. And how about this one? So pick up 10 of this socks, Nike Everyday plus cotton cushion crew socks with 6 pair of socks, and got them for $11.97. There you go, $11.97, and also included with a 30% off, and then additional 10%. Okay, there you go. So I was looking the actual retail. There you go, this is the actual retail. So 22 came down to $11.97, and then additional 30, and then additional 10% off. So do the math for that socks. That's not really bad for a 6 pair of socks. $11.97 with 30% off, and then additional 10% off. Next, so let's check out this jacket, some kind of standard jacket, not actual hoodie though, but it looks cool. It says standard fit and Coke standard. It says the price is $17.97 and then additional 30 with the additional 10% off. Nice Nike logo right there. Let's see the actual retail price, and this one is, there you go, $130 for the actual retail price, and then came down to $17.97 with the additional 30% and then additional 10% off. So that price is really good. And moving on with this one, so I pick up this bag, duffel bag, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the price that I picked them up is $19.97 and then additional 30 and then additional 10%, and the actual retail price is $65. So save more than how much? How many percent is that already? And it's really cool because it's black and camo duffel bags, so not bad for the price. It says on the researching it is like Nike Sport for golf or something, but I'm not really sure. It is a nice duffel bag though, some nice pocket right there with some camo design. What do you think about this one? The price alone is not bad. Okay, and lastly, so I said we got 10 pieces of these sneakers. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you already know, it is a 10 limits in the Nike outlets. So here we go. We got the Nike Kyrie 5. Colorway is the black and summit white. And based on my research, it is the Kyrie 5 Chinese New Year. That's why they had a lot of printing going on right there. As you can see, the basic bottom right there, the colorful bottom, and some kind of detail here going on from the back all the way to the front. And there is strap somewhere here, the logo of Kyrie, and another one on the tongue. So how much did I get them for? It is $79.99 and then additional 20% off and then additional 10% off. So it came down somewhere 59-ish to 60. So not bad for the price. And I was thinking for resale only, because I don't have my size. It is 10 and is also my size is 10 and a half, so it might not suitable for me for now. But if I could find some for my size, then I might gonna pick them up. But the resale value of this one are really good and they are moving fast, even though like 59 and then reselling them for 110 to 115. The price of that one is really good for resale, more than 30% my ROI. So not bad for the Kyrie 5. It happens also during the lot of reseller and they buying a lot. So if you're not really on your foot to be there like really fast to get something, then you're getting behind. So that's why I went to the other outlet and leave behind the first one, because there are a lot of reseller and I don't want to make decision because I'm getting rushed buying something. So I've been to that road before that, like this, making a decision because I'm being rushed and a lot of reseller before. That's why I don't want to do that mistake again. So what do you think on this picked up? not much shoes or sneaker, some good stuff like those shirt and those jacket, which is really good, 17 bucks, and then retail is 130. Some good socks and bags. What do you think? Please leave a comment down below. And I think that would be all on this video. I hope you like this video. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. I'll see you later. As always, Nolasco here. Peace.